Hi everyone, it's JC here with another video for you. So today we are going to do an unboxing because I received these two packages from my work. They decided to send us some working equipment, and that means a new laptop and a monitor. I actually didn't ask for the monitor because I already have one that I use, but they actually decided to send one. So I'm very curious to see that. So the first thing we're going to open is the laptop, because the thing is, I am a Mac user, but this one, my work, we actually use Windows. So this is a laptop with Windows, and here we are going to open it. The thing is that this laptop is already wired for work, so I will be using this only for work, not for private things. And it is a Dell laptop, and they also sent me a hub. You see, a Belkin Hub, which is for me to maybe connect to the monitor, I don't know, other stuff. So here it is. Let's open this. So the Belkin Hub they sent me is this one here. It is the Belkin Connect USB-C 6-in-1 multi-port adapter. So that's the one. And the laptop, I'm very curious because it seems to be a very small one. We're gonna have to take this to work every time, you know. So this is why it is very portable, which is kind of nice. By the way, just an update. I have already going back. I'm back in the office, but at least once a week right now. But starting next month, I'm gonna be going at least twice a week. And so we will have this sort of hybrid working system where we work some days in the office and some days at home, which for me works pretty well. I kind of like working at home, but I also like going to the office because at least I can see my colleagues. So okay, here it is. Oh gosh, it is so tiny. Oh gosh, look at that. It is so tiny. Let me show you. Look, this is the laptop. It's a Dell laptop. Let's open it. Oh wow, look at that. It is so cute. I love this kind of keys because this keyboard reminds me a little bit of the Apple system. So it's quite flat with a nice trackpad and nice screen. I really like it. What kind of ports does it have? Okay, so here you can see it has an HDMI port. That is the one that we're going to use to connect to the monitor. A USB-C, a USB-A, and then a USB-C. What is this? I have no idea what that is. Oh, a mini SD card. Okay, and on the other side we have another USB-C port and the headphone jack. So yeah, it's quite nice. Look at that. Of course, this is basically for work. So I love that it's so portable and so light, so I can throw this in my bag and have no issues to take it to the office. Everything else in the box is, what is it? It's just the cable. And what is this? Oh yes, that's the okay, that's the connector, goes with the connector. So this is basically the laptop. Then we have the Belkin Hub. And now let's open this monitor they sent me. I have myself, my monitor is a bank monitor, 24 inches, which I like very much. is the one that I use for private stuff, also for editing movies, things like that, but also for work. But they sent me a ViewSonic. Okay, so let me check here. This is what they sent me, a ViewSonic See the Difference Color Pro, 24 inches. Okay, looks nice. So let's open it. Here is the stand. Oh wow, there's a lot of stuff here. HDMI cable. What is this? USB-C cable. Power cord. This is also the power cord. Oh, okay, they sent two types. One with the English plug and one with the European plug, which is the one that I need to use. What's that? I don't know what this is. That's a very nice, oh, that's a very nice monitor. Look at that. And it also, oh, it's also adjustable, so you can go up and down, and you can also turn it like this vertically. This is really cool. Oh wow, I really like it. So this is a Sonic full color ViewSonic, and yeah, so we are going to set it up, and then I am going to show it to you. Hey guys, so here we're back after like a million hours trying to figure out what is the best way for me to set this up, because now I actually have two computers, one especially for work and the other it's my private computer. And the funny thing is, initially I said that I didn't need an extra monitor because I already have one. I was actually planning to use my private computer and the work computer with the same monitor using an adapter. I got the adapter, but apparently it doesn't go that smoothly. So I'm actually very happy that they ended up sending me an extra monitor, because now I have two. I don't have much space, but I mean, it doesn't look that bad. So I'm going to use my phone here now to show you a little bit how it looks like. So as you can see here, now I have two computers. This is the monitor that they sent me connected to the laptop, and here is my monitor with the Mac Mini behind. I really like this laptop because look at that, it even has a fingerprint recognition, so I can unlock the computer with a fingerprint, and it's really nice. I do love this keyboard because it reminds me a little bit of the Apple keyboard. As you can see here, it reminds me, I still find this much more comfortable, but this one is not bad at all. Reminds me a little bit of the MacBook. And then here I have the monitor that they sent. This is really a beautiful monitor. I don't think it's I don't think it's 4K. I think it's just a 1080p, but it's really nice because it's especially for work and I use a lot of text. So this is perfect. And this is the one that I already have. This is a ViewSonic monitor, and this is a bank monitor. They are both 24 inches, which is a pretty nice size for working. And of course, here on the side I have my iPad that I usually use for video conferencing. I could very well use the laptop for video conferencing because it does have a camera, but usually when on a meeting, sometimes I have to present something, and I usually use the iPad because I have all the software that I use to do the presentation. So I think it's really nice. So I might be trying to use the laptop for video conferencing, but I don't know. I think that I am still going to continue with the iPad. So as you can see, my desk is not that big, but it still can accommodate both computers. Of course, when I am not working, so I will turn this off, and then I will just station it here, and then I have here more space for me to work on my, private projects. So there you have it. So I can actually put the computer just like that. And then I have all the space here for my private use. So that was the video for today, an update on my working from home setup. Like I said before at the beginning of the video, next month we are going to start this kind of hybrid system of working. So I'm gonna work 50% in the office and 50% at home. And because I work only 4 days, so that means 2 days in the office and 2 days at home. So I think that is really a very nice corner where I can actually do my my private video production, but I can also have enough space for me to do my work. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a fabulous day. Bye.